As Japanese, one of the most common pumpkin dishes we make is simmered pumpkin. It's cooked with melon and soy sauce, can be used to prepare a variety of dishes. I also frequently make pumpkin soup. The soup stock comes from the discarded parts of the vegetables like the seeds and pulp. Also with showing these recipes, I will also talk about the nutritional value of pumpkins. Let's start by making a simmered pumpkin. Cut a quarter of the pumpkin into bite-sized pieces. Place them in a pot and add 1 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons each of sake and mirin. If you like, you can also add 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Cook over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Next, add the salty seasonings. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. If you add sweet and salty seasonings together, the sweetness won't infuse into the vegetables. This is a fundamental rule of Japanese cooking. Lower the heat slightly and cover the pot with a paper lid. Simmer for 10 to 13 minutes. Now, the simmered pumpkin is ready. I mash it and mix it with mayonnaise and whipped cream to make a salad. This simmered pumpkin can also be turned into gratin by sprinkling bacon on top, then adding white sauce and cheese. It's delicious. Next is a pumpkin soup recipe. My mother is over 90 years old and she enjoys a special pumpkin soup every morning. What makes it special is that the soup stock is made using vegetable scraps that would normally be discarded. Pumpkin seeds and pulp are rich in nutrients at the growth point such as the stem. By using these parts, we can create a flavorful soup stock. Get started. If possible, chop the pumpkin seeds with a knife to release their nutrients more easily. But they can be quite hard, so it's okay if you can't do this. Place parts you normally throw away, like the core of onions or cabbage and the green tops of leeks in the pot. Add water 2 to 3 times the amount of the vegetables. Once it starts to boil, cover the simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. Then strain the liquid. Your vegetable stock is ready. Next, cut 400 grams of pumpkin flesh into bite-sized pieces and 100 milliliters of water and steam it. Be sure to heat it on low heat. Even on low heat, there is still plenty of heat in the pot, and this steaming process makes the vegetables delicious. Once it becomes soft, remove the skin and blend it with the vegetable stock we just made. Don't forget to use leftover spring water, as it contains valuable pumpkin nutrients, and make a great broth. Add as much vegetable stock as you like. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin A, C, and E, forming what's often called the ace of vitamins. Beta-carotene in the pumpkin converts into vitamin A in the body. It's also packed with vitamin C and vitamin E, which are essential for the anti-aging. I forgot to mention that this pumpkin soup is delicious with just salt, pepper, and a little bit of butter. I hope today's pumpkin recipe will inspire you to enjoy Halloween cooking.